The two Dannies are very close to my heart. They have some playing years left in them. Okay? They have some playing years left in them.
So, may chance ba na makuha mo dyan?
Okay. The Danny I situation is in the table sa Meralco, but we have not made any decision yet. The two Dannies are close to my heart and they have some playing years left in them. And since I am leaving for Myanmar on Wednesday already, maybe when I get back, something has happened. When I get back, I will know what happened.
Kasi, syempre, ang sinasabi ko nga sa kanila is, I'm very attached to the two Dannies. Diba? I'm very attached there. So, hindi naman, I'll be honest, no? I cannot say that malaki na utang na loob ko sa kanila. I cannot say no. Honestly, I cannot say no to them. But that is not that is that fair assessment, diba? Parang ganun.
So kung lalapit,
that's what I'm saying. Because I'm attached to them. Actually, silang gumawa sa pangalan ko. So you cannot ask me by. In other words, don't ask me. Don't ask me my opinion, because my opinion is based on my heart. Because I'm very attached to them.
Kaya ba, boss, mayroon ba kayong meron kayong kinalaman doon sa pagpasok ni Sigel sa Talk and Text?
No. Even before naman, I think Talk and Text was Talk and Text, especially si Coach Norman was really very interested in Danny Sigel. It is on the table. Kumbaga, nag-discuss naman yung niya sa Meralco. I don't know if Talk and Text discussing him also.
Okay.
Pero kami, nag-discuss kami.
So, ano yan?
Diba?
So, parang lalabas, Meralco pang haharang sa reunion ng dalawang Danny ay, O pwede
hindi naman. Siyempre, pwede naman sila magsama sa Talk and Text. I don't know kasi kung ano yung pinag-uusapan nila sa Talk and Text. I don't know. Hindi ko alam yun. Basta alam ko, napag-uusapan namin si Danny ay sa Meralco.
Oo nga. Pero ikaw, nagbigay ka na ng suggestion mo sa Meralco na kunin siya?
No, I don't give any suggestion. Wala akong suggestion, wala akong recommendation or anything.
Okay.
Basta it's just a discussion that what Danny I can give us on the table. Kaya kinuha natin nila ngayon. What he can give us now.
Ano sinabi mo, boss? Ano sinabi mo?
I said he will give us quality minutes. He will give us some leadership. Quality minutes and leadership. Yun yung sinabi ko sa kanya. Ngayon, we will leave it up to management to make that decision.
So, anong nangyayari? Unahan yung Meralco pala, saka yung ibang team kay Ildefonso na yan. Parang ganun
naman. Yan ang bibigay ni Dana. He can have really quality minutes. Alam naman yan, he is not anymore a 30-minute player, but he knows he can play that quality minutes. And of course, he will give him that leadership maturity to the team.
Sige, boss.
Yun lang. But that is up to management to make that decision.
Spin.